Open the packaging box. Take out the accessories. Take out the main unit. Lift the operating handle. Connect the power cord plug. Disconnect the suction pipe, right, and dirt suction pipe, left end. Remove the dirty water tank. Remove the 2 fixing screws of the clean water tank. Lift the clean water tank. Turn off the water valve. Disconnect the water hose. Turn on the power switch. Note: 1. This switch is shipped in the open position and does not require the operation steps of removing and installing the water tank. When the machine is finished using, this switch does not need to be turned off. Install the clean water tank. Insert the water hose and open the water valve. Install the 2 fixing screws of the clean water tank. Install the 2 covers of the dirty water tank. Note: when installing the cover with the cage, it must be installed on the hole on the right end of the dirty water tank, i.e., connected to the suction pipe. Install the dirty water tank. Insert the suction pipe on the right, and dirt suction pipe on the. Open the dirty water tank lid and add an appropriate amount of defoamer. Lower the suction squeegee. Plug the power cord into the socket. Machine button instructions. Vacuum switch. Water outlet switch. Brush switch. Demonstration of cleaning effect.